My name's Ruth Stanley. I'm a campaign manager for BASF and I'm here with Dr. Sarah Cook from AWC to talk through the importance of testing blackgrass seed for resistance and how to go about it. So Sarah, how do we start?
So first of all you need some blackgrass. So we'd go into the field and we'd look to see how widespread the blackgrass is, and in this field it's quite widespread. We don't want to collect from one patch singly, we want to collect blackgrass from all over the field. So we wouldn't collect near the gate, we'd walk down 2 or 3 tram lines just picking up blackgrass as we go along.
And when is the right time to take a sample?
We need to take a sample when it's starting about 10% shed, so when the blackgrass is naturally shedding, and you can see that by there's some of the seeds have fallen off, so we would sample that at that time.
So we've got plenty of blackgrass to go out in this field. How do we actually then take the blackgrass seeds off the plant?
So we would walk along, grab hold of a blackgrass seed and then just gently rub it or frisk it, and the seeds would fall off into our plastic bag. We don't force the seeds off because then we get unripe seeds that won't germinate and are no good for the test.
And how much seed do you need?
We need about a large cupful, mugful.
Okay, so when you've got your cup full, what happens next?
We put it into a paper bag and we would air dry it for 2 or 3 days before we send it off. You can download a form from our website, or you can pay online as well, and then you would post it to me here at AWC Boxworth.
And how much does it cost?
It costs around £200 for the sample.
And so would I need to do that every year?
You wouldn't need to do that every year, say once every 5 years, just to check how the resistance level in the field is going, so you'd have a good picture of which herbicides to use.
Okay, so so the results that I get back then, that will tell me which herbicides work and don't work, is that right?
Yeah, so there's 2 types of resistance, so there's the target site resistance and there's also the enhanced metabolism or non-target site resistance, and you would get information on where your blackgrass stands, how resistant it is and which herbicides are more likely to be most effective.
Okay, great, thank you. So if you want to understand more about how to test for blackgrass resistance, which chemicals you should be using, then log on to the website www.basfrealresults.com/AWC.
BASF. We create chemistry.